Good morning. Now today we discuss unit number 2, determinant and matrices. Another example for matrices in multiplication. Here given that A is equal to first row 1 minus 1 1, second row 3 2 1, and B is equal to first row 1 2 1, second row 4 2 1, and third row 1 7 5. Then find AB. Now solution. Here given A is equal to 1 minus 1 1, second row 3 2 1, and B is equal to first row 1 2 1, second row 4 2 1, and third row 1 7 5. Now find AB. So AB is equal to, put the value of matrices A. Now value of A is 1 minus 1 1 3 2 1. So 1 minus 1 1, second 3 2 1. Multiple first row 1 2 1 4 2 1, second row, and third row 1 7 5. So here 1 2 1, second row 4 2 1, and third row 1 7 5. So AB is equal to, first write down matrices is first row 1 time 2 time and 3 time. પહેલા શ્રેણિકની જે પ્રથમ હાર છે એ બીજા શ્રેણિકની જેટલા સ્તંભ હોય કોલમ હોય એટલી વાર તમારે લખવાની છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ રો રાઇટ ડાઉન 1 time 2 time and 3 time. So 1 plus minus 1 plus 1. First time, second time. 1 minus 1 and plus 1. And now third time. 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 and plus 1. Now second row, similarly second row, write down 3 times. So here 3 2 and 1. 3 plus 2 and 1. ફરીથી 3 2 and 1. Third time, ત્રીજી વખત 3 2 and 1. Clear? Now second matrices B is first row 1 4 and 1. Write down 1 4 1 1 4 1. So here 1 4 1 1 4 and 1. Now second row, here write down 2 7 2 2 and 7 2 2 and 7 2 2 and 7 2 2 and 7. Now third row, write down here 1 1 and 5. So here 1 1 and 5 1 1 and 5. Clear? So AB is equal to, simple multiple 1 1 ja 1 plus multiple minus, then minus 1 4 ja 4 plus 1. Similarly 3 plus 4 2 ja 8 plus 1. Second row, 1 2s are 2, plus multiple minus 1 2s are 2, plus 1 7s are 7. Now here 3 2s are 6, plus 2 2s are 4, and 1 7s are 7. Now third column, 1 1s are 1, plus multiple minus, then minus 1, plus 1 multiple 5, that is 5. 3 multiple 1 3, plus 2 and 5. So is equal to, here 1 plus 1 2 minus 4 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 minus 2 0, 0 plus 7, that is 7. 1 minus 1 cancel, that is 5. Plus 1 minus 1 2 minus 2. 3 plus 8 11, plus 1 12. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 7 17, and 3 plus 2 5, plus 5, that is 10. That is your answer. Clear? Now example number 2. Here given A is equal to, matrices A is equal to minus 1 2 3. Second row 3 minus 2 1. Third row 0 1 1. And B is equal to 1 2 1 3 minus 1 1. Then find A B and B. Now here solution. Given A is equal to minus 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, and 0 1 1, and matrices B is equal to 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 and 5. Here now we find AB. So AB is equal to A multiple B. Then A is a 1 2 and 3 row. A 3 row and 3 column, 1 2 and 3, 3 by 3. And B is equal to multiple B. So B, A 1 row, second row, 2 row and 3 column. Now here column does not equal to row. So AB is not possible. Clear? Here AB is equal to A 1 2 and 3 row and 3 column, and 3 by 3. B 1 and 2 row and 3 column and 2 by 3. So here first column and B ma row is are equal, then AB is possible, but here not equal, so it is not possible. Then first answer is clear. Now second, BA. So now BA is equal to, similarly B is a 2 by 3 multiple A is a 3 by 3. BA, then first B and second A. Then here is column 3 and here row 3 are equal. So equal is, so AB is, sorry, BA is possible. So BA possible, then find BA. Clear? Now we find BA. So BA is equal to, first write down matrices B 1 2 minus 1 first row, second row 3 minus 1 5, 3 minus 1 5. Clear? Now we find BA. Here value of B, first write down. These matrices, this value 1, 2, minus 1, second row 3, minus 1, 5. Then here we write 1, 2, minus 1. Second row 3, minus 1, 5. Multiple, write down the matrices as value. Here first row minus 1, 2 and 3. Second row 3, minus 2, 1. 3, minus 2, 1. And third row 0, 1 and 1. 0, 1 and 1. So BA is equal to what? First write down B, row of B. पहला આપણે B ની પ્રથમ રો ને લખીશું. કેટલી વાર લખવાની થશે? 1 ટાઈમ, 2 ટાઈમ એન્ડ 3 ટાઈમ. જેટલી સેકન્ડ મેટ્રિક્સ માં જેટલી કોલમ સ્તંભ હોય એટલી વાર પહેલી રો અને બીજી રો ને લખવાની થશે. પહેલી રો ને આપણે 3 વખત લખીશું. તો 1 પ્લસ 2 plus minus. First time, now second time. 1 plus 2 and plus minus 1. Second time, now third time. 1 plus 2 plus minus 1. Now first row write down. Now again second row write down. Now second row write down 3 times. So 3 plus minus 1 plus 5. Similarly 3 plus minus 1 plus 5. And third time 3 plus minus 1 and 5. Clear? Now second matrix is first row. Write down 2 times here. 2 times because 2 row. पहला matrix ની જેટલી રો હોય એટલી વખત પહેલા તમને લખવાનો થાય. તો 1 3 0 write down 2 times here. 1 3 and 0. Minus 1 3 and 0. Now second row write down 2 minus 2 and 1. So here 2 minus 2 1. 2 minus 2 and 1. Now third 3 1 and 1. So here 3 1 and 1. 3 1 and 1. Clear? Now simple multiple. 1 minus 1 BA is equal to simple multiple. 1 minus 1 that is minus 1 plus 2 multiple 3 6 plus multiple minus that is minus 1 multiple 0 that is 0. Similarly 1 multiple 2 2 2 multiple minus 2 that is minus 4. 1 multiple minus 1 that is minus 1. 1 multiple 3 that is 3. 2 multiple 1 that is 2. Minus 1 multiple 1 that is minus 1. So here second row 3 multiple minus 1 that is minus 3. Plus multiple minus minus 1. 1 multiple 3 3. Plus 5 multiple 0 that is 0. 3 multiple 2 6. Plus minus 1 multiple minus 2 that is plus 2. Plus 5 multiple 1. Similarly 3 multiple 3 9. Plus multiple minus minus 1 multiple 1 plus 5 multiple 5. we write down 1 multiple minus 1, that is minus 1, plus 2 multiple 3, 6. 1 multiple 0, that is 0. Clear? Now second, 3 multiple minus 1, minus 3, plus multiple minus, that is minus 1 multiple 3, 3, plus 5 multiple 0, that is 0. Second column, 1 multiple 2, 2, plus 2 multiple minus 2, minus 4, that is here minus 4, plus minus 1 multiple 1, that is minus 1, but here plus, that is minus 1. 3 multiple 2, 6, 1, minus 1 multiple minus 2, that is 2, 2 plus 5 multiple 1, that is 5. Similarly 1 multiple 3, that is 3, plus 2 multiple 1, that is 2, minus 1 multiple 1, that is minus 1, 3 multiple 3, 9, plus multiple minus, that is minus 1, plus 5 multiple 1, that is 5. So here is equal to minus 1 plus 6, that is 5, plus 0, equal to here 5. Now 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, and minus 1, that is minus 3. So here 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, that is 4. Minus 3 and minus 3, minus 6, plus 0, that is minus 6. 6 plus 2, 8, plus 5, 13. Now we are 9 minus 1, 8 plus 5, that is 13. So AB is equal to 5 minus 3, 4, minus 6, 13 and 13. This is your answer. Clear? Okay. Have a nice day.